We are almost done with all the crucial components, and now it's time to finish the last few details of the build. One of these is the body shells. For now, I have one main style, but in the future I will add more realistic versions. The first shell covers the front part of the car. It doesn't need to be extremely durable, but ideally printed in your favorite color. The file is 0301 from bodyshell.stl. I print shells in PLA with 30% infill, a rectilinear pattern, supports enabled, and the same 5 walls as usual. Set it to the printer queue and let's move on. Next is the main body shell, which covers the rest of the chassis and includes space for the cooling fans. The one is in 030201 center bodyshell.stl. I also included an alternative version without the external fan openings. If you're not using side fans, you can print the version located in 030202 center bodyshell.stl. The only difference between them is the fan cutouts. The assembly process is identical. I used the same parameters for both versions. PLA, 30% infill, rectilinear pattern, supports and 5 walls. Add the shell to the printing queue as well. Because this part is large, I definitely recommend using bed glue to avoid warping. If you are printing the shell with external fans, you will also need the cooling closure. It's in 030201 center body shell cooling.stl. It's simple, but it works really well. I print this piece with the same parameters, but in accent color, so the car has some contrast. If you think that it looks weird, don't worry. In real life, the RC car looks much better than the renders. Next is the airflow cover for the ESC, which helps keep temperatures under control. You will find it in 0303 body airflow. Same printing settings here, and again, accent color looks great visually. After that comes the battery closure. It keeps the battery secured and protected from impacts. File 0304 body pattern closure.stl. Same printed parameters and an accent color recommended. To hold the closure in place, print the log pieces located in 0303 bodylogs.stl. Same printing parameters. And finally we have the hatch. It doesn't open, but it holds the power switch and finishes off the body. It is located in 0305 bodyhatch.stl. One last hint, you can group several elements of the same color and print them together in a single job. It saves time and makes organizing prints much easier. We have loaded the printer with all these jobs, and now we can move on to the next chapter, adding wheels to this beast. Stay tuned, pretty soon it will tear the ground apart.